In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Music Player to Notion. By the end, you'll have a simple audio player right inside your page so you can listen while you work, study, or share tracks with your team. First, open the Notion website in your browser. If you prefer the desktop app, that works too. The steps are identical. Give the page a moment to load so all your workspaces and pages are visible. Once you're in, choose the page where you want the music to live. This can be any page or subpage, maybe a personal dashboard, a reading list, a project hub, or a journal entry. Click to open that page so you're looking at its content. Now you'll add the audio block. On the page, click where you want the player to appear. Type // to open the block menu, then type audio. You'll see the audio block option pop up. Press enter to insert it. Notion will drop in an empty audio area with options to bring your sound in. Give that new block a click. You'll see two choices: upload a file or embed a link. Upload is perfect if you have a track stored on your device, like an MP3 or UAV. Keep in mind, Notion may have file size limits depending on your plan, and larger files can take a moment to upload. Embed link is great if your audio is hosted online. If you're using a direct audio URL, make sure it points to a playable file and is accessible publicly. Some services require the link to be shared publicly before Notion can play it. If the track doesn't load, double-check the sharing settings or use a direct file link ending in something like .mp3. Once you've either uploaded your file or pasted your link, Notion will process it and display a compact player with play and pause controls, a timeline, and volume. You can click the 6-dot handle to drag the player exactly where you want it on the page, place it under a heading, or move it into a column layout. If you like, add a short caption beneath the player to label the track or note the source, which helps keep things organized. That's all there is to it. Open Notion, pick your page, add the audio block with the / command, click it, and either upload a file or embed a link. With that quick setup, your page becomes more engaging and useful, and you can listen without leaving Notion. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new music player.